Hello. How are you today? I am doing very well today. Where is everyone else? Isn't today a school day? I don't know. We might as well just wait until the bus comes. Uh-oh, looks like we missed the bus. What do we do? I think we should just walk to school. We need to get to school before it gets too late. Let's go. We are finally here. I hope we don't get detention for being late. Let's go. The door is locked. Let me try. The door won't budge. The lights are all off. Oh yeah, today is Labor Day. No school today. Let's head home. Yeah, let's go. All that time wasted.
You guys are already back from school?
Today is Labor Day. We don't have school today.
I forgot today is Labor Day as well. Well, if that's the case, let's have a family house cleanup day. First, clean your rooms, then mop the floors, and finally if you finish everything nicely, we will have a family barbecue.
Well, that's just great. Sarcasm intensifies. Who does work on Labor Day? It's a day of rest.
Just do your chores and don't complain. The faster you get your chores done, the faster you can play.
Aw man. Choking intensifies.
Hey guys, you heard your mom. Do your chores please. I hope she doesn't tell me to do anything.
Yep, now go do the chores. Oh yeah, I forgot. Dad, please mow the lawn, the grass is getting long.
Sigh alright.
ไปหาเฟตกเนี่ยนุฟาลที่จุง
Let's finish this quick.
Skolet. Ja, no volare donne planning go Rome.
Looks like Mom already left us the bucket and the mop. Yeah, okay. We are finally done, yeah.
Good job boys, you finished all your chores. The food is almost ready, please have a seat on the bench. Food is ready. Come over and get it, honey.
The food looks great. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Gras food dad, thanks mom. Fata grat labor dai.
Happy Labor Day everyone.